What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Two Phones for Free, back again with another informative video. Alright, I'm just talking to you guys about Visible Wireless and the most affordable way you get fully unlimited talk, text, and data, and even unlimited hotspot with just a minor limitation to the hotspot, meaning it throttles the slow speeds per second with 5 megabytes per second with the $25 plan, and you get 10 megabytes per second on the hotspot with the $45 plan. But if you use your referral code in your Visible account, all right, and all you gotta do is hit the share referral link. This is your referral code, your friend code, and you guys can save and pause mine and copy mine and go save you $20 a month, or at least with one of you all, you get $20 off on mine. So guess what? You're only paying $5 a month, or at least for that first month with my code. You get $5 off. You get $5 for unlimited talk and text and data using a person's referral code on Visible, and I'm still using it. And on top of that, I'm using it as my home internet. I'm not using Verizon home internet. I'm using my phone's hotspot as the home internet. I can still stream videos. I can still game online. I'll be playing Fortnite, Call of Duty. I can play Call of Duty mobile and all that stuff using Visible's cell phone service and hotspot. Now, if you're just using the phone, it's gonna work like magic. I got plenty of speed test videos on this YouTube channel, and you can all watch it for free. Okay, you don't have to pay monthly to watch my videos unless you don't want the ads, because I do monetize. But that's besides the point. But I'm trying to help my friends and family save $20 to $40, even more. And here's a key. Here's a key. Okay, so so these are the people that use my code. Some didn't qualify, some for some reason ain't using it. I don't know why, but that's for the month, right? For the year right now. Okay, I've gotten over 34 people so far. It's only 12 months in a year. So look how much I've been saving with this. Okay, it's a good service. I got 5G phone. It works on a 4G phone. I got more than one 5G phone. But that's besides the point. It's a good service. Don't listen to the haters and trolls. They come through the comment section because they getting these $40 phones, these $30 phones, and thinking they're gonna get the best out of them. No, you're not. Okay, unfortunately, not every high-end phone you're gonna get for free. But I can share deals. Okay, even Visible got deals. Okay, Visible got deals on some of the latest 5G phones. Wait a minute, Galaxy A35, is that new? Somebody dropped that. So they got Google Pixel. All right, so man, look, you could be spending $45 or $40 a month getting an S24 Ultra and using Visible with the referral code for $5 a month. So you getting you a high flagship iPhone for $30 a month if you do the $20 if you use the referral codes. I'm telling y'all, this is the best bang for your buck. Now I'll talk about the annual contracts later. Not annual contracts, but annual plans. But Visible has the best bang for your buck. Like I said, I'm using it at home. I'm using it on the road. $5 or less. For me, it's less because, again, I got a debit card. They give me cash back. I get cash back. I'm practically getting this for free. And shout outs to anybody who use my referral code. If you got a referral code and you scared to post your stuff on social media, you don't know how to do that because you ain't got a YouTube channel. You don't even have to have a YouTube channel. Just have a Twitter account, a Reddit account, Facebook account, somebody, Telegram, Discord. Somebody is gonna use your link, man. If they want to save money and get unlimited data on their phone or tablet and use this as a house service, because you can use your phone as a hotspot. You don't have to go out spend hundreds of dollars on a mobile hotspot. Okay, long as your phone got all the necessary network needs, for your household. That's it. All right, this all I want to talk about. I will talk about the annual contracts in the next coming videos, but I wanted to drop this too.